Challenges of local meat production on local farmers in Maramag, Bukidnon. Our study generally aims to investigate the problems encountered by local meat farmers in Maramag, Bukidnon in relation to the issue on meat production. Specifically, it intends to fulfill the following objectives. The first objectives: identify the challenges encountered by local meat farmer in Maramag, Bukidnon in relation to meat production. Create a practical solution that are feasible to help local farmers in Maramag, Bukidnon improve meat production. The third is outline the step-by-step process on how to implement the proposed solution, and the last, illustrate the methods in assessing the effectiveness of the solution once implemented.
Respondents 1, Benji Domingo, works at Maramag Swine Farm Incorporation. Respondents 2, Christopher Poricalian, owner of 5 Coins Trucking Services. Respondents 3, Rosalie Poricalian, general manager at 5 Coins Trucking Services. Respondents 4, Janeline Manlantao, cold chicken handler. Respondents 5, Annalisa Bokila, owner of Chicken and Meat Shop. Because they are the right participants for our study, because they face the problems that are relevant for our research. Lack of supply or production, diseases, and lack of funds in order for us to mitigate this problem and make the business better.
The need of financial support, equipment, and facilities to improve productions. By reaching out the government or any private groups that are willing to help us to get our desired facilities, equipments, or the financial support that we need.
Asking help from the government so that they could provide the needs of our fellow meat farmers. Because farmers is the backbone of our society nor in the world. That's why we recommend this solution in order for them to have a support of the people and the government so that they can have their support and needs provided.